YouTube? Welcome back to Wilson For Real. Shout out to the Real Squad. As y'all can see, I'm not sampling a chicken sandwich or eating a burger. We doing some fresh veggies and fruit. And as you can see, I put some berries and bananas. I think I got some carrot juice I'm gonna add in there. Just lots and lots and lots of things going on in this blender. So look at the mango chunks. I'm gonna let y'all see me blend this up, whip it on up, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it turned out. I don't even know what it's gonna taste like. This ain't no specific recipe. I literally grabbed everything that we had in the house that was a fruit or a vegetable, and I turned it into a smoothie. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. We appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, y'all. I'm about to turn on the music. What's up, YouTube? I'm done making the smoothie. So we're gonna see how it turned out. All of those ingredients that I put in there was literally just stuff we had at the house. It was no specific recipe. That's why I'm calling this the Wilson's For Real Power Smoothie. I just made that up, y'all. No cap. We keep it real. We keep it 100. How we gonna call ourselves Wilson For Real if we don't keep it real? I'm over here. I got stuff on my face. Hope y'all having a good day. It's morning time. Hope y'all getting y'all day started. Some of y'all already at work. Let me pour it out right here. Giving y'all first hand on how this thing turned out. You could try it yourself. Let's see. I got my Fat Tuesdays cup from Vegas. It's official. Oh, this is official. We definitely got this one from Vegas. Surprisingly, it's not that bad. That's actually, I got stuff on my face, y'all. It's actually good. It's good, y'all. It's good, y'all. That's good. So it's all natural sugars in there. So got away from the artificial. I got stuff on my nose. Y'all see that? I don't even care. Keeping it real. Wilson For Real. My beard growing out wild. But yeah, man, just wanted to test out our new Ninja. But I also wanted to create a little smoothie. Get your natural vitamins and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna try to do a smoothie at least 3 times a week. You know, being realistic, you know, some people say they're gonna do something every day. It'll become a habit once you master at least doing it 3 times. So if I figure if I can master doing it 3 times, I can eventually go to doing it every day. Y'all know I'm always doing reviews on chicken sandwiches and all that other stuff, but I do have balance. Shout out to my guy, Coop. He got me a little workout plan. So I got me a 5-day workout plan. And it's all stuff that you can do at home, you know. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. Just trying to stay active, y'all. I'm about to hit 40. And just trying to stay active, you know. I'm getting over that little hump. And right now I'm not on no medicine, so I don't want to get on no medicine. I want to keep it that way. So I'm trying to fuel my body with natural medicine. And that's good right there. But I'm still doing my reviews, y'all. So don't think I'm abandoning my reviews. I ain't got nothing else to contribute. I just want to make this video because we got the Ninja for Christmas. We got all these vegetables and fruit in the house. Might as well do it. Might as well do it to it, you know? But just keeping it real, you know, living a healthy lifestyle is like hard. Like, so don't let nobody who buff and all in shape tell you, man, all you gotta do is do it. It takes some discipline. It takes some sacrifice. It takes being creative. Take changing your mindset of living a healthier lifestyle, you know. And I ain't sitting up here trying to act like, you know, I'm like this health buff, because I ain't. I'm keeping it real. I'm trying something different. Trying something new, you know. Why did I just talk in that voice? Nah, but real talk though, man, there's a lot going on with folks' health and stuff like that. So we got to make sure we're being conscious of the things that we do put in our bodies. It's really good. All right, it's really good. If y'all looked at the beginning part, you saw everything that I put in there. I ain't use no dairy because I use almond milk. Because the old me would have said, I need yogurt or some milk. But I use almond milk. And like I said, I ain't researched none of these ingredients. I don't even know what I'm getting out of it. But I think it's better than getting a sausage biscuit, which I really would love right now. But I am going to try to start my mornings off with a nice smoothie at least 3 times a week. And you should try my recipe out, y'all. It's good, y'all. It's good, y'all. It's good, y'all. But yeah, that's all I have today. I don't have anything else for you. Check out the other videos that we have. Live life, be happy. You know what I'm saying? Do what makes you happy. Smile, you know. I'm cutting this beard off soon, y'all. It's got to go. I don't like it anymore. It was cool to see it grow in, but I'm about to go back. I'm about to go back to my goatee. I'm a goatee type of guy. A full beard, you beard guys can have it. I'm about to lead a bird gang. I don't know when, but I've been saying it for like 2 weeks. We'll see. Well, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Wilson's for real. Till next time, I'll holler at you. I'm out. Peace.